Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can check laptop specifications. So it's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just head over to search bar and type here settings. Once you open settings, just right here in the left panel we have the option system. So just click on that. Now here we need to scroll till the end to see the option about. So just click on this one again, and yeah, just right here you have the window device specifications. Here you can see all of the details, like including your RAM. You can check the processor, and if you want to check the graphic card, at the top you can see that in my case I have 2 GB and this is the name of the graphic card. Installed RAM is 8 GB, processor is this one, and the storage I have is this one, 1.13 TB. So this is the first way which you can use in order to check device specifications or your laptop specification. But if you want to go more further, like checking the motherboard or something like that, in that case what you need to do, just hit Windows plus R key from the keyboard, and here we need to type ms info 32. Just click on OK. This window will open, and here you can see all of the details of your laptop, including motherboard. You can see the processor as well. Here you can see the OS manufacturer and so on. So yeah, these are two ways which you can use to see your laptop specifications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.